you were gonna stomp it.
No, we're gonna do it all together.
How do we start? Can we start like this? And I think that's too boring. Actually, like more like.
Fucking all those.
3, 2, 1, go.
So dude, today.
No, Arden!
Hey, we're not playing for real.
Fine. 3, 2, 1.
Should I be like looking up in the fan?
Yeah, give it. Ira, it's that nice, straight, and moody. Alright, do we start? Yeah. Alright. So dude, today I got this swirly, and then I beat him up, but then I got A on 10. Dude, that's me. Dude!
I heard you beat up someone.
What the fuck?
Record!
We were supposed to record.
Okay, what?
Come on, man.
Fuck, where did that scream?
Where did you scream?
I don't know.
Dude, it's my shit over there. Or unless it's my shoe. My shoe's clean. Okay, ready? Hey, John, record this with your phone.
For real?
My phone?
For real, man?
Yeah, it's for real. Since we didn't laugh at that Kevin's face. I swear, if I make Kevin put water in his mouth, he's gonna spit it at me.
Yeah. Boobs. Nudes. Tits.
Ready? 3. Are you ready, Adriana?
She has a
Hold on,
better
let's just
photo.
practice this. Ready?
I gotta
1,
do
2,
perfect.
3. Heard you beat up someone.
How do you want me to record it like this?
Yeah, it's over here. It's over here.
Dude, that has good phone sucks balls.
Wait, what?
Your phone sucks balls.
Yeah. Ah! Ready? 3.
No! Wait! God damn it, Mark. Wait, do you start from the beginning?
Yeah, go.
Alright, hold up. I can't see.
Ready, Adriana?
Yeah.
Count down.
3, 2, 1.
Dude, so today I got a swirly, but I beat him up and got an A on the test. Dude, that's me. Dude.
I heard you beat up someone. Okay, let's go to the ball. Oh, wait, we have to wait for this. Fuck, how long get back? Okay, ready? This is the seesaw part.
Hey, do I stop recording?
Yeah.